If you feel tired, bloated, and stuck no matter what diet you try, your body might be begging for a reset. And no, it's not another miracle juice or expensive detox. More and more doctors are showing that controlled fasting can reboot your metabolism, clean up damaged cells, and give your organs time to repair, without pills, powders, or gimmicks. When you stop eating for specific periods, your body switches from constant storage mode to deep repair mode. It starts burning dangerous visceral fat, balancing blood sugar, and supporting a healthier gut microbiome. Most people have been told to snack all day, live off healthy juices, or eat every 3 hours. But studies show many of these habits keep insulin high, stop fat burning, and never allow your body to truly reset. There isn't just one way to fast. Some people start with a simple 12 to 16-hour overnight fast. Others, under medical supervision, explore longer water-only fasts. The key is structure, safety, and listening to your body. With the right plan, fasting may support weight loss, lower blood pressure, improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and even sharpen mental clarity. It's not magic. It's how your biology is designed to work. Fasting is powerful, but it's not for everyone. If you're pregnant, underweight, on medication, or have a medical condition, always talk to your doctor first. If you want more videos on safe, science-backed fasting and how to use it to reset your body, hit like, subscribe, and comment "reset" below.